welcome to OrigamiTree. My name is Jenny and today I'm going to show you how to make this origami money bracelet. But before we begin, please leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like me to design next, and let's jump right in. To make the money bracelet, of course you're going to need some dollar bills. I'm using 6 $1 bills, but you can use whatever amount that you want. You also need a piece of ribbon that wraps around your wrist, and also 6 of your favorite photographs. These are 0.5 inches by 0.5 inches. You're going to start off with $1 bill, and you're going to take your dollar bill and fold the bottom right hand corner diagonally so that it creates a triangle shape. So just fold it down and crease it in. And next you want to unfold and then rotate and repeat the same thing in the opposite direction. So again, you're just going to fold diagonally so that it creates this triangle shape and crease that in. Unfold. And then repeat the same thing on the left side. So you're going to take the bottom left hand corner, fold it diagonally to create a triangle and crease it in. Unfold. And repeat the same thing in the opposite direction. Unfold. So now you're just going to rotate your dollar onto its shorter side, and you're going to notice the pre-existing creases, and using those creases you're going to push inwards towards the center. Now you're going to push inwards on the right and left sides, and then you notice on the top and the side there's something jutting out. Now you're going to flatten that thing that's jutting out, and you're going to place it onto a flat surface and flatten it until it creates a triangle shape. And from the top it should look like this. Next you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, you're going to place the dollar onto a flat surface and push inwards on the right and left sides and then flatten. And now you're just going to take the top flap on the right side and you're going to align that pointy tip to the horizontal crease. Now I'm going to fold the flap upwards to create that horizontal crease right over there, and you're just going to align it and flatten it. Next you want to rotate and repeat the same thing on the other side. So again, you're going to align the tip with the horizontal crease. So just fold it upwards and flatten. Next you want to rotate and repeat the same thing in the opposite direction. So again, align the point to the horizontal crease. So I'm just folding up the flap again to create that crease. Unfold and align it. Repeat the same thing at the other side. And crease it in. And now you should have a nice little frame for George Washington's face. And then you're going to take the right side and you're going to align it to that vertical side over there. So you're just going to fold it vertically and crease that in. And then repeat the same thing on the other side. So you're going to align that tip to that crease over there, and you're just going to flatten it. And now you'll notice that there is a trapezoid at the top. Basically, you're going to fold that trapezoid back and crease it in. And then you're going to repeat the same thing at the other side. So you're going to fold back that trapezoid again. And then you have something that looks like this, and now you're going to take the right side and you're going to fold it right over George Washington's face, and you're going to take the left flap and fold it over to the right side and crease it in. And now you have this mini rectangle, and you're going to make this 5 more times. So now I have 6 of these already made, and you're going to take your piece of ribbon and basically you're going to wrap each one of these around the ribbon. So go ahead and take your string and place it right at the center of this bead. And then you'll notice that there are 2 flaps, one at the bottom and one at the top. You're going to fold the bottom flap up and you're going to fold the top flap down. And now the top flap has 2 tabs, so right over there, and you have 2 slots at the bottom, and basically you're going to insert the 2 tabs at the top into the slots at the bottom. So just go ahead and do that, and be careful when you do this because you don't want to rip your dollar bill, but sometimes it might be a little difficult, so just, keep squeezing it in there. And now you have one bead successfully on the string. So now you're going to take your favorite photograph and you're going to place it right at the center in that teeny tiny square. So first I'm going to do the bottom 2 corners, and once I have the bottom 2 corners in, I'm going to insert the top 2 corners, and this is how it looks like when it's done. And now just repeat the same thing with the remaining 5 beads. And now that all the beads have been strung, you're going to take the 2 ends and you can tie either just a double knot and then cut off the edges, or you can tie a bow tie like I'm going to do. And now I'm just adjusting the beads a little bit so that they're more aligned, and once you've done that, it's ready to be worn. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button right over there. I post new videos all year round and I don't want you to miss them. Also, let me know in the comments what you'll like to see next. Be sure to check out some of my other tutorials as well. I have over 200 of them, so there's really something for everyone. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!